So, someone posted a video just in Flom, FLOM, about tiling a floor with pennies. Now, other people have done that. And I love the way he did the diamond patterns of the dark and shiny pennies. Looks really good. And he also put a logo that says, "Welcome to Penny Lane." Great idea. But anyway, people are posting about how expensive this would be and how wasteful it is. It's actually really cheap. I did the math. He's doing it. It's sponsored by Gorilla Glue because he's using Gorilla Super Glue, and he mentions that too many times. Obviously, he's being sponsored for this project, which is fine. Nothing wrong with that. But anyway, what does it actually cost? It actually says Gorilla Tough and then add. So yes, but what does it actually cost? The room he did is about 10 by 12. Well, that's about 30,000 pennies, or about, it comes out to about $307 worth of pennies. Actually, I think it's a little bit more pennies. It takes 16 of them to make a foot, and so 16 by 16 is 256. But that's not how you actually interlock them. The pennies don't go side by side. Every other layer gets shifted one half, so they interlock better. So you could probably get probably closer to 280 to 300 pennies per square foot. I don't know, but let's just use the 256 because that's close enough. That's about 30,000 pennies, or about $307 in pennies. Why is that significant? Because that's almost exactly how much glue he needs too. There's about 190 to 200 drops of glue per 5 milliliters, and that's a little over 15 milliliters, about 16 milliliters for the 15-gram bottle of Gorilla Super Glue, which costs $5.89, so let's call it $6. You're gonna need 30,000 drops of glue, and there's 600 in a bottle, so you're gonna need 51.2 bottles of glue. So 51 bottles of glue, that means you're gonna need about $307 in glue. What the hell? What's the probability that those both would come to $307? That's $614 to do a floor in pennies. That's actually pretty damn cheap. If you've ever priced out doing a floor, that's pretty damn cheap, and it looks pretty freaking cool. I just thought that was neat. And it was surprisingly cheap. It looks fantastic. Now, what it is going to cost you is a lot in labor, because it's going to take a lot of work to lay down that many pennies. But otherwise, pretty freaking cool. So you need about, for a 10 by 12 room, you're going to need a little over $300 in pennies and a little over $300 in super glue. I would advise buying the glue in bulk, because you can save a lot of money. You don't have to buy the little bottles of glue. But that's it. I just thought that was neat.